Welcome in my channel. Today we are going to discuss writing a news story and using the 5 Ws and 1H. Kindly like and subscribe my channel. Writing news involves following a specific format and style to ensure clarity, accuracy, and objectivity. Here's a general guide on how to write news. Start with a strong headline. The headline should summarize the main point of the story in a clear and concise manner. It should grab the reader's attention and accurately reflect the content of the article. Write a compelling lead. The lead, or the opening paragraph, should provide the most important information of the story, answering the questions who, what, when, where, why, and how. It should be attention-grabbing and succinct, drawing the reader into the article. Use the inverted pyramid structure. Arrange the information in descending order of importance, with the most crucial details at the beginning and less essential information towards the end. This allows readers to get the main points quickly, even if they only read the first few paragraphs. Provide context and background. After the lead, provide additional context, background information, and relevant details to help readers understand the significance of the story. Include quotes from sources to add credibility and perspective. Be objective and balanced. Present the facts impartially, without bias or personal opinion. Avoid sensationalism or exaggeration and strive for fairness and balance in your reporting. Use clear and simple language. Write in a straightforward and accessible style that is easy for readers to understand. Avoid jargon, technical language, or complex terminology unless necessary, and define any unfamiliar terms. Include attribution. Attribute information to its source whenever possible. This helps establish credibility and transparency in your reporting. Use phrases like according to, officials stated, or the report indicates to indicate the source of information. Check facts and verify information. Double-check the accuracy of names, dates, statistics, and other details before publishing. Verify information with multiple sources to ensure its reliability and correctness. Edit and proofread. Review your article for grammar, spelling, punctuation, and clarity. Make sure the writing is tight and concise, eliminating any unnecessary words or repetition. End with a conclusion or summary. Wrap up the article with a brief conclusion that reinforces the main points of the story. Avoid introducing new information in the conclusion and leave readers with a clear understanding of the topic. Using the 5 Ws and 1H. The 5 Ws and 1H: who, what, when, where, why, and how are essential questions journalists use to gather information and structure a compelling news story. Here's how to use them to write your own. 1. Choose your topic. Select a newsworthy event, issue, or development that would be of interest to your audience. 2. Gather information. Conduct thorough research through interviews, press releases, reliable sources, and official documents. Ensure the information is accurate, credible, and unbiased. 3. Answer the 5 Ws and 1H. Who are the people involved in the story? What happened? What is the main event or issue? When did it happen? Is there a specific time frame or deadline? Where did it happen? Is location relevant to the story? Why did it happen? What are the causes or motivations behind the event? How did it happen? What was the process or sequence of events? Structure the story. Headline. Craft a clear, concise, and attention-grabbing headline that summarizes the main point of the story. Lead paragraph. Answer the most important questions who, what, when, where in the first paragraph to grab the reader's attention. Body paragraphs. Elaborate on the details, providing context, quotes, and additional information to support your claims. Conclusion. Summarize the key points and leave the reader with a lasting impression or call to action. Maintain objectivity. Present the facts in a neutral and unbiased manner, avoiding personal opinions or judgments. Include diverse perspectives and viewpoints to provide a balanced and comprehensive understanding of the story. Use active voice and strong verbs to make your writing engaging. Maintain a clear and concise writing style, avoiding jargon or overly complex language. Proofread carefully for any grammatical errors or factual inaccuracies. By following these steps and utilizing the 5 Ws and 1H framework, you can write informative and well-structured news stories that effectively engage your audience. Crafting compelling news stories. Essential guidelines. Mastering the inverted pyramid. Forget chronological storytelling. News writing flips it on its head with the inverted pyramid. Imagine an upside-down triangle. The widest part holds the most crucial information, which narrows down to the least newsworthy details at the bottom. This structure ensures readers grasp the essence of the story immediately, even if they skim through or stop reading halfway. Hooking readers with the lead. The first paragraph is your golden opportunity to captivate your audience. Don't start with generic details like the date and location of an event. Instead, highlight the most significant aspect of the story. Did a record-breaking number of people attend? Was a groundbreaking decision made? Focus on these newsworthy elements to grab attention from the start. Facts speak louder than opinions. Objectivity is paramount in news writing. Avoid expressing personal opinions, and when presenting controversial views or claims, always attribute them to a source. This allows readers to form their own informed opinions based on diverse perspectives. Giving names and faces to the story. When introducing individuals, use their full first name or both initials on first reference. This ensures clarity, especially for readers unfamiliar with the mentioned person. Provide relevant identification details to contextualize their role within the story, keeping it concise and clear. News writing thrives on short, impactful paragraphs. This enhances readability and maintains a dynamic flow for the reader. Maintaining objectivity with person. Generally, news stories adopt the third-person perspective. If using first or second person is essential, ensure a smooth transition to avoid confusing readers. Headlines, grabbing attention in a word. Headlines should be brief and captivating. They should accurately reflect the information within the article, avoiding new details not mentioned in the text. Aim for present tense when referring to past events and use to for future events. E.g., to meet, to decide. By adhering to these guidelines, you can craft compelling and informative news stories that effectively engage your audience. Remember, clarity, objectivity, and structure are key ingredients for successful news writing. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye.